to celebrate the achievement and capture the essence of the sport system being provided to the entrepreneurs of the state of Meghalaya by Prime Hub, a song entitled I Have a Dream was today launched in the presence of the director of the MBDA, Iban Swear, and founder and lead vocalist of musical group Somersault, Kit Shangpliang. The song was conceptualized by Meghalaya's renowned folk fusion troupe, Somersault, and involves renowned artists from across the state of Meghalaya and is sung in 5 languages that include English, Khasi, Garo, Pnar, and Hajong to keep up with the inclusive spirit of the times.
I have a dream now. I have a dream now. I'll never let go. I have the confidence. I'll get to where I need to be. The world will know.
Kaching kershana yin kalong kabadon kam Banyeng halaki jongki jan Halado min sin chakmat dia hamdam Hakrechi tom hawa isam
I have a dream. I have a dream now. I'll hold it tight. I'll never let it go.
But we became a paradox of poverty amidst plenty, because we have become just ordinary consumers instead of becoming producers. Many of our young people are leaving our state because they are not getting the right support in taking the activities or the dreams that they wish to take up. So the government had taken this initiative of setting up the Prime Hub, where it became a center where young people, passionate people, anyone who had a dream of making up their own enterprise can come and learn, can come and look for ideas. As an organization, we do not have that kind of capacity to help them. So we work together with the IIM Kolkata, where they brought in their experts and they brought in more and more experts to help us in developing ideas that belongs to the young people in the state. Now, over the last year when we finally formed Prime and we were able to mobilize people, we came in, we tried to find out how are we going to select the right kind of people who will benefit from this kind of initiative. So the Chief Minister's Challenge was one of the ways by which young passionate individuals, entrepreneurs, people with skills would come and apply for this competition, and those who qualified and who a select panel of judges found that their activity had the potential to be upscaled, had the potential to be replicated. So these are the people who were given an award and provided assistance to take forward their initiatives.
Aspiring entrepreneurs who have done really well in the last 2-3 years, and I think it's 4 years now that Prime has been existing. And just to talk about Somersault and why we landed here. See, I think Somersault, if you look at the lyrics of our song, they are very closely connected with social life, with culture, because we believe that if art has to be relevant, it has to be relevant socially. So the fact that Baiban had just mentioned, how the music culture of Meghalaya is so embedded in the life of the people. So the song I Have a Dream therefore is a catch song. It's not a theme song or other kind of songs, but it is a catch song with intentions to give a thumbs up to Meghalaya's entrepreneurs to dare to dream. And the music video which you will be seeing later on is intended to celebrate the achievements and capture the essence of entrepreneurial support being provided to the entrepreneurs of the state through Prime Hub.